Laptop Manufacturing Company. Location, Oragadam, Chennai. Gender, male-female. Qualifications. 10th, 12th, ITI Diploma BE, any degree. Age limit, 18 முதல் 35 வரை. Department. 1. Production. 2. Quality. 3. Assembly. 5. Store. Fresher experience. Rotational shift, 2 shifts. A shift, 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. B shift, 2 p.m. to 1 a.m. Salary, 16500 based on qualification. Per hour, 152. Job role, trainee. Benefits. Shift time food provided. Room, rental based. Contact. 8270104879 9566586193 908051951953